In the nervous system, a synapse is a structure that permits a neuron to pass an electrical or chemical signal to another neuron or to the target effector cell. Fundamental types of synapse: chemical synapse and electrical synapse. Can you explain what is a chemical synapse?
In a chemical synapse, electrical activity in the presynaptic neuron is converted into the release of a chemical called a neurotransmitter that binds to receptors located in the plasma membrane of the postsynaptic cell.
How about an electrical synapse?
In an electrical synapse, the presynaptic and postsynaptic cell membranes are connected by special channels called gap junctions or synaptic cleft that are capable of passing an electric current, causing voltage changes in the presynaptic cell to induce voltage changes in the postsynaptic cell.
Synapses are essential to neuronal function. Neurons are cells that are specialized to pass signals to individual target cells, and synapses are the means by which they do so.
Synaptic effects induced by alcohol. Alcohol acts as a general depressant of the central nervous system. It depresses or inhibits the function of neurons by reducing their ability to transmit or fire electrical impulses. These electrical impulses carry information that is essential for normal brain function.
Mark! I can't believe how drunk you are.
I am not drunk.
Yes, you are.
I am not f***ing drunk.
Can you tell the time?
Yes. I am not f***ing drunk.
The synapse is a site where information is exchanged between two neurons. Alcohol alters neuronal function by disrupting communication at the synapse. A synapse is also where all the communication of neurons takes place.
Ano? Ay gumagapang na to. Ay, hindi tayo pag ganyan ang lakad mo, hindi tayo makakarating ng dagat. Yan, diretso. Oo! Oy! Bangon! Aba! Ay nang ere. Ano ka?
Neurons communicate with each other through the transmission of electrical and chemical signals. Electrical impulses are converted to chemical signals because electrical impulses can jump from one neuron to another. The conversion of electrical to chemical signals occurs at the synapse.
Bilal.
Ano yan?
Mighty. Wala, sarado na.
Sarado kami.
Sarado. Ano bukas?
Quattro.
4. Sarado.
Oh, sarado.
Bilisan ng Mighty. Sigarilyo.
Balik ka na lang.
Balik ka na lang.
Sarado.
Oh, sarado.
Ano bukas?
Alas 4.
Sarado.
Ano ba bibili mo?
Mighty. Yung Mighty pula. Yung sigarilyo.
Sarado.
Sarado.
Sarado. Ano bukas?
Alas 4.
Alas 4. Sarado.
Oh, sarado. Balik ka na lang.
Bilisan ng Mighty. Yung pula.
Oh.
Sigarilyo.
Balik ka na lang.
Sarado.
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 The chemicals called neurotransmitters diffuse across the synaptic spaces between neurons and bind to specific proteins called receptors on the receiving neurons. This binding reaction triggers a new electrical impulse in the receiving cell, and the communication proceeds so that the brain can function normally. An example of a synaptic disorder, Alzheimer's disease.
You told me your name, but I forgot it.
It's Crystal.
I know, but I will forget it.
Justin, you go first. Hi, I'm Justin.
Hi, Justin. Nice to meet you. My name's Miriam.
Hello.
Do you know how old I am?
28.
Oh, 28. Oh, I wish. How old do you think I am?
80.
Oh, from 28 to 80?
30. What do you do at home?
Well, I'm retired, but I used to be a lawyer. About 7 years ago, I began to forget things.
I forget like everything.
You forget everything. Oh my, I've got Alzheimer's. Have you heard of Alzheimer's?
No.
Alzheimer's is a disease.
Is it contagious?
No.
Can you die from it?
Yes. Yes. What's happening in my brain is that my brain cells are dying. Do you know what genetics is? It's like it's your genes. And so I forgot where I was going. Genetics. I forgot what I was going to say. Oh, what's that? It's that thing that goes around eating things.
Oh, you mean Pac-Man?
Pac-Man, yes. Well, there's a Pac-Man in my brain going around eating my brain. Yeah, and there's nothing right now that can stop it.
Maybe you could just create a ghost in your brain and then eat Pac-Man and go bye-bye and then the ghost goes away.
Sure, absolutely, why not? Do you ever forget things?
When I put the remote down and go to get something, when I come back in the room, I forgot where the remote was. Have to search the entire room. My dad is kind of like that. When my mom asks him to do something, he doesn't do it every single time, and he always says, I forgot, 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 I forgot.
What else do you forget?
How old I am, sometimes I think I'm 6.
I create a system. I've got a Google Calendar on my laptop and on my cell phone. My calendar is basically substituting for my brain because my brain isn't working. Have you heard, you know what Alzheimer's is?
Yeah, you said that earlier.
Ah, yes.
It's okay. It's okay.
You know, I'm 70 years old,
Wait,
but I'm
you
becoming,
old?
but I'm going to be becoming a baby because I'm going to forget how to eat. I'm going to forget how to do things. A couple of days ago, I didn't know where I was. It took like 5 minutes for me to figure out where I was in my apartment. What would you do if you got lost?
There's a trail right by our house. That trail could go anywhere, Justin. And what happens if let's follow the trail. If he goes onto the trail, I don't go onto the trail. I would just pass our neighbor's house.
Okay. I'm confused.
Whoa. I would do
I am
this.
totally confused. Okay. What was he saying? You know what's happening with me right now? It's called sundowning. And sundowning is when somebody who's got Alzheimer's has a difficult time remembering and following. And so that's what's happening to me right now.
Does someone take care of you?
No, I live alone. I've got a lot of friends who check up on me.
Yeah, me too. I have so many friends. I can only remember a few of their names.
Oh, I can't remember names. Sometimes I get sad, but not often. I don't know. But I try not to get upset, because getting upset just makes it worse. And so I have hope that there's going to be a cure to stop Alzheimer's.
What is Alzheimer's disease? It is a progressive disease that is characterized by symptoms such as impairments in memory function, language, thought, and problem solving. Synapses allow communication between neurons and make it possible to create and recall memories. Throughout our lives, we continually lose and regrow these important brain connections. In a healthy brain, the amount of new synapses balances the loss of old ones, allowing for a sustained net number of synapses. The process of creating new synapses is called synaptogenesis and is the foundation of learning and memory. In the case of Alzheimer's disease, compared with the normal aging process, the loss of synapses becomes accelerated. The loss of synapses is one of the key features of Alzheimer's disease. That's all for a general overview of Synapse.